The Vera Bradley Berkhill Backpack stands out for its lightweight yet durable ripstop polyester construction, which is both water-repellent and reinforced for tear resistance. This backpack is designed to accommodate a 15-inch laptop, making it an excellent choice for students or professionals who need to carry their tech devices securely. With dimensions of 16 inches high, 11 inches wide, and 6 inches deep, the Berkhill Backpack offers ample space for daily essentials while maintaining a sleek profile. The thoughtfully designed exterior includes multiple zip pockets and compartments, allowing for organized storage and easy access to your belongings on the go. Caring for the backpack is simple, as it can be spot cleaned with a mild detergent and a soft, damp cloth, ensuring it stays looking fresh and new. Vera Bradley's commitment to artistry and bold self-expression is evident in the Berkhill Backpack, which brings color and positivity to everyday adventures.